टॉप 10 डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ यूजिंग सोशल मीडिया। सोशल मीडिया के इस्तेमाल के 10 बड़े नुकसान। नंबर 1, एडिक्शन, आदत लग जाना। स्पेंडिंग टू मच टाइम ऑन सोशल मीडिया कैन बिकम एडिक्ट, टेकिंग अवे टाइम फ्रॉम अदर्स इम्पोर्टेंट एक्टिविटीज। Number 2, cyberbullying. People can be mean or hurtful to others online, leading to bullying and negative experiences. Number 3, decrease productivity. किसी काम में फोकस न कर पाना. Constant notifications and distractions from social media can make it difficult for students to focus on their study. Number 4, poor sleep. रात को लेट सोना या नींद पूरी न हो पाना. Using social media late at night can disrupt sleep patterns, leading to tiredness and difficulty concentrating during the day. Number 5, negative self-esteem. दूसरे से अपने आप को कंपेयर करना. Comparing oneself to others on social media can lead to feeling of inadequacy or low self-esteem. Number 6, privacy concerns, privacy risks. Sharing personal information on social media can lead to privacy breaches and potential risk. Number 7, distorted reality. People often present an idealized version of their lives on social media, which can distort reality and lead to unrealistic expectations. Number 8, fear of missing out. Constantly seeing others post about exciting events or experiences can lead to feeling of anxiety or fear of missing out. Number 9, impact on relationships. Overuse of social media can detract from face-to-face interaction and weaken real-life relationship. Number 10, mental health issue. दिमागी सेहत का मसला. Excessive use of social media has been linked to various mental health issues such as depression, anxiety, and loneliness.